Okay, so now let's see what else Claude can do for us. So far what it's done for us, it's actually created a really nice landing page for us. Over here, what I'm saying is this currently doesn't have the mobile menu option, which is I do not have an option to basically have like a hamburger menu over here that opens up in a mobile view. Let's see if it can actually build that. So what I'm going to do is I'll tell Claude that create a mobile menu with hamburger icon. Let's see, we'll do that. You can also take a screenshot and paste it over here and ask Claude to basically go through the screenshot, and if you wanted to fix something, fix some styles, you can actually do that as well. In fact, you can also take a design and give it to Claude to build it. Of course, it won't be perfect, but at least it'll do something. It'll give you at least the base for you to work on it. So right now it's just exploring the code base first to understand the project structure, existing navigation implementation, because I had actually switched off the Claude. So if you're doing it another time, then it's going to go ahead and ask you. It's basically going to go through the code base and see and understand how it is before it starts working on it. Although what happens is anytime the Claude is doing anything, it usually would create a folder called .claude, and it would store some of the caching information into it, so the next time it comes, it can actually read that. So right now it's just doing that. Let's take a look. It's creating a component called header.tsx. This is a React component. It's adding the button. It's just like your GitHub. It's showing whatever the plus icons you see here. Those are the code that it's adding, so you can actually review it. So it's adding a button with an on-click of toggle menu, and then as menu open, it's going to put a navigation over there. So it's asking you whether you want to make edit to this header.tsx. I'll say yes. And it's going to go ahead and add that. One thing I do realize that Claude like consumes the tokens like really fast compared to Gemini. But yeah, it does the work for you. So it's done that. It's created all those things, auto close, accessibility. That's also good. ARIA label and all those things. So that's pretty good actually. So I'm going to just refresh. And I'm going to check in the mobile menu as to what it's done. Oh, great. It's already done that. So if you click on it, you can see that it's actually created the mobile menu. Of course, it's not added the animation, and I can do that as well. But again, you can give it instruction and you can do that. So let's see. Add a transition when the menu opens, so that it looks good. So you can give that instruction. Okay, so it's making some edits. Okay, height transition, opacity transition, and duration. Great. Let's see. That's done that. Great. It's working. Perfect. See how quick it is, how fast it is, and definitely you're gonna need that for development, right? Because when you're building big projects, this is pretty useful actually. Cool. I'll see you in the next video.